we ended up back in Bangkok.
Wasn't expecting that, huh?
Yeah. The trip was we were supposed to be coming home today. I failed and what's it called? I didn't see that you need a visa to fly from Vietnam to the US. I had to cancel that flight and so we decided to just come back to Bangkok because it's cheaper to fly out from here. Well, we met up with our friends yesterday and it's really cool. Good vibes, you know.
Yeah, making the trip better.
Yeah. So we're just gonna hang out with them. Right now we're gonna go try to find a flight from this ticket office that we seen. Hopefully they can help us. If not, then I might just pay like $2,000 to go back home. Yeah. Bali was cool, you know, it was popping, it was all that, but we had to come back to Bangkok, you know, because this is like
our home.
It's our home, sadly. We wanted to go to Chiang Mai, but I don't know if we'll be able to go, you know, but whatever. I'll vlog today and show you guys what happens, what goes down and stuff. But yeah, bye. We're going to Ricky's Cafe right now. We are still looking for a flight. I think I found one. It's still a little bit pricey, but whatever. We went to a travel office and it's basically the same thing, and then plus we would have to pay more for the service and stuff, so we're just like whatever.
At least she's been honest with us.
Yeah. The flight that I see and that I think I'm gonna buy is for next Monday. From here to Tokyo to LA.
Just keep in mind, we gotta tell our bosses.
Yeah, we gotta tell our bosses.
Taking another week on holiday.
So I think Christian's boss is gonna be cool with it. I don't know about my boss. They're like old people and stuff, so if I lose my job, it's cool.
We'll just see YouTube full time.
Yeah, they give me an excuse to make more videos.
It's Thailand for you guys. You know what's crazy though? These things all have fishes. It's their own ecosystem. They don't even need food. Can you see them?
Yeah.
They're not venomous. They're eating them.
No, they're looking at it.
Oh, look, they're eating me now. Oh no. Oh, we have to change our money.
Oh yeah, we have to change our rupiah.
Rupiah, because we have like 500 million rupiah.
There's a lot of... Is it over there or this way?
It's straight ahead. Mickey. It's like 150, 60? I don't know. What the other language? Sorry, yeah. Very awkward to just whip out a camera. Ah.
Vamos hablando nomás en español. Hoy vamos a hablar nomás en español.
Porque muchos muchachos aquí hablan inglés.
¿Y qué más?
No sabe español. Porque... I'm just gonna talk Spanish now because a lot of people know English.
Okay. We bought...
Hop on, hop off.
Hop on, hop off. Right here.
You literally hop on, hop off.
It was 180 baht, 1 day river pass.
Which is a good deal because we spend that way much on our first time in Bangkok.
Yeah, and then like this is like our taxi type thing, so we're just gonna hop on and hop off.
Hop on, hop off.
Being back in Bangkok so far has been pretty cool than our first time.
¿Cómo dice City of Angels?
Ah,
Is it Bangkok? No, Los Angeles. I gotta go talk to Chloe for us. So, we forgot to mention the fact that we met some cool Thai Americans. They were like,
super cool.
they're like,
nice.
yes, they're like a U.S. care package. They came out here and showed us some love, showed them some secrets of the trade.
I wasn't having a very good day.
Yeah.
Emotionally.
As you can see, I don't know if Lena will put some clips. Maybe you could put clips, just no sound to show people, you know? But anyways, so now we're heading to our friends from Belgium. Just hang out before we go to Chiang Rai. Yeah, so we're just walking, talking.
I just don't know what to do with my life at this moment.
Lena, you're fine, dude. What are you talking about?
I'm scared I'm gonna get fired from my job.
It's okay.
Okay, there.
You make more videos.
Fucking A, right? I feel like I should tell Weddy's to call for me because she always does that.
Why would you do that?
Because like Weddy's does that for me.
Yeah.
She's my voice that is in me that I cannot speak.
Yeah, I called my boss. Shout out to Hector. Hopefully I don't get fired. But Lena has to call her boss. And yeah, Lena explained when she's behind the camera. But yeah, basically we're just trying to make the best of something that went wrong, which is coming out pretty good. Shout out to the Thai Americans.
Yeah,
they're like really cool. Well, let's put the drone footage right now because that's all the camera we had. And yeah, they gave us their like US package because they knew Thai.
Yeah.
And they like helped us out by paying for our food. And we told them our story and they're like, okay, don't trip. Any questions, let me know. So yeah, they're just like the most helpful people we talked to since we've been here.
Yeah.
Literally. Like, and we just hung out with them for like an hour. And they're just like,
I wish we had them earlier.
yes. But yeah, on our way to the hostel.
What do I do? Comment, tell me. Who wants to call my boss for me?
Kathy's gonna watch your video. Day 2 of being stranded, right? Lena's crying again.
Hey guys. I called my boss and she's kind of understanding, but at the same time I kind of know how she is, so we'll see when I actually get back to work. Christian is confusing me. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We're supposed to go to Chiang Mai tonight and I guess we have to check out right now.
Alright, so Lena is asking me what we're gonna do with all our stuff. Let me explain to you guys once and you guys will understand because she don't understand. Basically, she says, what are we gonna do with all of our stuff? I said, we're gonna leave it into our locker until we get ready to go to the airport. You know what I mean? I don't understand how it don't make sense. You can just leave it in this hostel's locker for until we go to the airport, which is around 8 o'clock, so we don't have to carry our luggage all day. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? So like, yeah, man, it's been 2 weeks and I just been dealing with nothing but bipolar, man, and like,
Shut the fuck up.
no, we can't use that.
I can cut that out.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
It's Monday, but yeah, I recorded earlier, so when I was crying and stuff. Looking for breakfast right now. We went to House on Road, and yeah. There's no skate shop over here.
Probably. 4.5 miles away. And it's closed.
Hello.
What is 3.8 kilometers?
3.8 kilometers is...
So we're heading to Pai. And yeah, these are the bikes.
Is this Moeth? I don't know if you like it to be recorded, but yeah, Moeth is coming with us, and Moeth got the Grom. I thought he was gonna get he was like, yeah, I'll get a 300. I come back, he's like, how's the fun bike? I'm so jealous. But yeah, long story short, I knocked the bike down because I guess the kickstand wasn't on right. Oh, okay, that's fine. And then it knocked Mo's bike down, but his bike is fine. Yeah, alright, so now we're gonna hit the road, and travel time is 2.5 hours. I was told from a guy that just got back.
700 turns.
700 and something turns on a Rebel? I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, it's a cruiser though, so I'm for sure not gonna go fast. You ready for this, Lena?
Yeah.
Check out these cigarettes here. This is on the pack of the cigarettes. Hello. Look.
Okay. We are on our way to Pi, and my ass hurts really bad. Like, we've been driving for about like 40 minutes, and oh my gosh, like I'm like on the back of this freaking motorcycle, and my legs hurt so bad, and my butt is like super sore and getting numb. So we stopped right here, and we have like another 40 minutes to go, which is really nice. Yeah, really cool. Just kidding. Hopefully it goes by and we get there safely and all that stuff. But yeah, just a quick update. See you guys right now.
Majority of people that watch like motor vlogs are people in bikes.
We are above the clouds right now, yeah.
Let's go. He's just taking the bike.
So we are, I don't even know how far from Pi, but I think we're almost there. And
Can I see
my butt doesn't hurt that much anymore. I think I'm used to it now.
That's how I look? Jeez.
Yes, that's how you look. This is incredible. I feel so alive. I feel so one with nature. I feel so me. I'm literally, can't believe I'm here still. Literally, we had so many things like go bad, I guess. Not bad, but things changed, and I will talk about that more later. But yeah, right now everything seems to be going good. So just looking on the bright side of life, you know, gotta stay positive. Feeling that good vibe, so really, really grateful and blessed and all that. I miss my family, but I'll see them next week. Just gonna take all this in.